All right, so it's getting cold. It's almost winter time here in Missouri. And a lot of you guys that have E90, E91, E92, E93 want to know, can I start this damn thing and take the keys and go back inside and let it warm up, right? So we're going to show you how to do that today. And actually, I never tried to see if we could lock it. We're going to try that also. So if you guys want to warm your car up, stay tuned. And this is always the situation with any car. Who the hell wants to start their car, sit in it while it's cold, let it warm up when it's freezing cold outside? You want to go start it, come back in. But if you live in the city, you may not want to just leave it run with the doors unlocked and the keys in it, because let's be honest, with the way things are these days, it may not be there. So we're gonna go ahead and flip this around. We're gonna do, first of all, close your door. That does make all the difference in the world. No worky without doing that. We're gonna go put the key in, foot on the brake, start it. Right here. Now turn it off. Take the key out, foot on the brake, start it. Now you have your key. So let it run. And let's see. And you can lock it. There you go. Car's locked, keys in it. Now, don't get greedy with it. Be warned. Don't just leave your car unattended, because if it overheats, you're gonna have a problem. So, but this will get a lot of you guys by. I did this video years ago, but I figure it's time to redo it again. So that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.